man ban lat kejan goma bana form bana je create ka form bu kon create on bana je create kejan Adobe Dreamweaver na how to create sorry I'm having a hard time here how to create a form in Dreamweaver. Okay, we call it registration form. Okay, government. The easy way to tin the registration form they create kajam. Man bakon lokten bakon lokan namaka duptungan kojan kel mugalong kakwiko. You simply can change anything color to whatever you want. Okay, let's imagine no more again lana go corner how to increase the size here. Let me like on 30. Sorry, shift large. Okay, let me simply say 30 because all right bane biaja kul nena long. Okay, goma kenyam ngai corner at the background here to con chords. Okay, these are chords. Titi namani mentioned CSS can cook color me cool no ngone me share remove CSS go me share remove the system share delete then and go ben form none ben lang registration form color let me undo the delete part. Yeah, okay, so then muwa go me nyal go me code ten. Okay, ping go me again mu kwale short to interface dana kwale la nan ka anaden content yours ka door chu developers che kay che jin fond jin developer so man be lat ke go ande ko ande ke chen tan go so ne ko ken be kenen na man chan munu ko de con form de con create. All right, kenyam there's a way to do that. They use Niger manually key automatic, so I will say simply insert. Go to the woman. So I will look for a form. Go no and form more a code. Con button, checkbox, radio, list, jam, and all that. Okay, I'm looking for this small thing. I didn't go form ID. Okay, Jenna. Form ID, form 1 name is equal to form 1 method is equal to post action and nothing. Name take a lot of things that I lot ketin mo kwajele connect PHP kana medodian kana database. That is one later they can change. But for now chen yeah check on the check on one so bana je change dodian. What we do here they con form down they can create. You can say it input. Okay, typed as long as you want. Goma de text mugurije and then you can specify name a different one name. Let's say name become bigger name be related to a database name. I can simply say first name and then out here I can put ID to identify it and mandan and use a goma the idea down. If I don't want I can leave it blank like that. So let's simply come to value. Value is something modern inside your form. Okay, let me try to put let me simply try here. Again, man find and form goma, so I can say it first name because go to jowda be cool and go de type then CNN and many array. So outside here we will be putting first name. Go first name go corner and then BR mean break. Okay, so this is first name. Right now I'm putting another one to go down the input. Okay, sorry, lesson input type a long time can't then okay text and then we can say name. I can simply say last name and then out here we simply can close it if you want. I think that's it. Yeah, they can value that I don't want to okay let me put the value and then last name. Okay, So guama I can simply say br. Br mean break. Okay. Guama can't you can let guama have to put last name. Okay. Yeah, in such a manner. So gorkon, we can simply say br again because I want to create. You see, I created inside this. Okay. I have to do it under coding. Alright. Yeah, be cool create. Method go this one, this red came and there man. New the corner to me take a form charge take a form low they connect kamodadian. Okay, first name, last name. Alright. Go machine below long, so as you can simply click this and insert form, then text field can text a easy way of doing go down change your way down where the number, so I can just do that. So I can simply come here and say the let me say the last name or age or gender. Okay, yeah. You can change it to any field that you like. Okay, field a go gender. In case madong they go to be connect a database by any mean they're written. Okay, on level, on level. So these are not necessary. You can remove a teleric. And so muguru let the text ide ko bina ko jogo to in a field me gwad me the field you can say value like I say, then you say it gender. Okay, it's a different how you put it. So now we can put password. Okay, so under this you can put anything that you like. Okay, so any do go money or day la goma, it's up to you. Let me simply say it here. Okay, underscore info, sorry, lesson input typed. Okay, inside typed I will say it password. Okay, and then I can simply say it name is password. Okay, okay, out here I will close this and then I will say it password. Okay, so where you can put your password inside government. So we could have da password the da bande. Okay, mo kon save your go ban save tan yen go kon ngati no na me leden and a kitten and a registration form use con html she ban connect the database. We can work on it. They can use bodo and go on it. All right, so password done. Now I have to put value inside because go be I can come here and say the okay value, then enter password. Okay, so value do, oh sorry, I'm not gonna save this. Can simply go there then and go on dot large recognize already. Right, ping go properties this single line, then to multi-line, then to passwords and so on. You can change it, but it has to be hidden and mandan and kulela password kadundan. So Mishana talk from there. We can also put it again also if you want to. Okay, in case they can let confirm password. Okay. So we can match, and then we make sure that take a care. So yeah, the next thing ban button man cook on your to they could submit case up submit. We say it lesson input typed, we put reset. Okay, no, I think this is not name. No, hold on, sorry guys, hold on. Let me simple go direct to form and then button, and then we can simply say okay. Okay, if you go to code, we can change it. Type submit, name is called button, ID button, value button. So we can do this thing again, copy, and then we submit here. Under typed, we said reset. Okay. Okay. Name, it has to be reset. Okay, or yeah, reset. Let's do that. Button value, it has to be reset. Okay. Name, this one it will be register. Okay, let's go back here. Yep, this is register and this is reset button. So the next thing, we save it file, and then we say it saved. Here bana goro de kono save ka mutuality folder again. Come in your introduction chala chana come is it web page? Okay, I don't know. Let me look for it. My HTML. So this time I will not save that as index.html. I can even save it form. Okay, .html. They're gonna save in many forms, right? Like PHP and so on. But let's go to about save a form. Take my HTML web page form 1. We call it form.html. Let's say it's we're gonna leave. Okay. Now, channel top. What is the next move? Our next move, or they're gonna go to charo the toe when again. Okay. Channel menu ka desktop dan go down chikon toten. Okay. Yeah, we look for HTML. This my HTML. This is form. So you can simply open it, double click, or right click. You can say it open, and this is what will happen. Misha Ben Kaja. So this is the form. Okay. So registration form goma they reset mishi reset can all this big about. Sorry, we supposed to clear them from there. Okay, I can simple put anything. Okay, including the password. Misha will register. Let's check no first name, last name, the same things. So goma let me do it again. I reset over ten the alan chilarech backward. Okay, mika wrong reset. So la luni ka jono. So I can manage with system we aman lot of which. Okay, inside here we can remove value. Check, we don't need this. Okay. Okay, remove. Check on value. Check on good. We leave it blank. Ko bana lamin kon. Okay, including this, including this. Okay. Yep, we say saved, and then we can go to our web browser, and then we say refresh, continue. Now there we can put any shoot. So let me put the correct name, Chang. This is Nyak. So gender male if you want to, and then password. I can even put anything, okay, that I feel like. Okay. Alright, so if I say register, hello, michika badun mean that chika warech. So we mean that it work. Okay. So now again form and they form they create kawe dana gore kajan. Chan recommend the mende kon lat kajan called registration form ka. Mende tin to kon ke menu option te de kon gender, de kon one de kon ka select. Take option de ka select kajan. Let remove this thing gender. We go insert, and then we can say list menu. Okay, list menu, we can put this channel ben cut this one. This one, the first thing will be item name female. Okay, and then we say female. Alright, then we insert again male, and then male. So let's try say it. Okay, instead of select this one gender, you can simply do what you can. They are easy for you. So this is the code. Option which corner 7, we go to our page, our web browser, and we say refresh. Engine and gender, you can select male or female in between, and we select. So nama loga je long ka wedan de use ka jen kwal chola advanced software mu lokon ko bana mu go bana lat kaja de website de lat kaja de library de lat banking management system ningdul gorka sheka student grade everything de lat kaja na men kujamo bana fega ngoma bay nyot dobrien mo de ko nyolet kaja ko kon gor kono bana ngaj mu go bana ja ngaj. So jana no gora be practice be lat karwado mugo record, you simple go to coding and then we ben go. So these are the code tin kon and digital kamishi jana bo the mishi gorbo dong de nam de ngaja long, you simple right to click to any form on website ke any go achi project no, right click and then you go to view page source be nyot can information content tinde use. Okay, so it we can look gora you go one by one ko bimuga bi kula ngaj ko jandu dana ngai ka ngwana ngai ke jaga jam chilotet ane biya te kamal balne jek ka chapter do den bana do me de kon form de kon create ke de kon go na mane a simple way, normal way of doing it. Okay, very easy. Okay, de kwa coding ko to kon mun kon insert ke bilel manually split ko de man ladde jo kula goje an chilotet bana jek mo den